They say April showers bring flowers. Now you can stuff your flowers up your arse. Bring me car shows. Hello YouTubes. First local car show of the year is this Sunday, the day after my birthday, so hopefully I'll have some spending money to spend at the swap meet for some parts for Bugsy. So that means we have Friday, Saturday, Thursday, Friday, 3 days to get Bugsy ready. So I've got a bit of an indoor project to get started on. Now I have been working on my bumper bars, support bars, whatever they're called. I was going to use this, but I've had a redesign, so they're scrap, and the rest of the work for that involves working outside, and it's raining, so I don't want to do that today. So let's see if we can do something with these bumpers. Obviously nice chrome there, nasty rust there, nice chrome, nasty, nasty, nice. So what I'm thinking of doing is rubbing the rust down to the bare metal, the wire wheel. I'm really not bothered if I scratch the chrome that is there, who cares. And then depending on the condition that's under there, I'll clean it up with some paint thinner first. If the metal looks nice, I won't use the rust converter because it kind of turns everything black. So black with the chrome, actually black with the chrome might work. But what I might do instead is put on some lusty clear. If it looks reasonable, I'll just clear coat it. If not, I'll do the rust converter. Okay, wire wheel time. So under the rust was not quite silvery and not quite black. Not quite sure what to do, let me show you. So from this angle it kind of looks blackish, but then when you get some sun on it, it kind of turns almost silvery. Nah, definitely more black than silvery. Far better than the rust effect. But now I need to decide if I'm going to try the rust converter or just clear coat it. The downside with the clear coat is it will just chip off. It's going to be right at the front of the car. So I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll try a little bit of rust converter on this corner and see what happens, eh? Yeah, let's try that. And now we wait. Right, that stuff takes forever to dry in this climate. I mean temperature. So I just went ahead and did all the rusty bits. So I'll let you see how it looks. So I made the mistake of putting the rust converter over the chrome and it turned it all kind of milky. So then I had to go over all the chrome with the paint thinner to remove that. So this is how it looks at the moment. I don't know if it's going to dry shiny, but at least if it's dark and shiny, then you've got the chrome that's shiny and it kind of might merge it in a bit. I need to wait and see how it looks on the car. I definitely prefer that over rust. We'll see. I will be putting it on the car, and if I really just don't like it, we'll think about something else. I don't know if it's worth the money to re-chrome these. They are in good condition underneath the rust, but I don't know if I want to go that far. Look at that. The rain's gone off. And the sun's trying to come out. Wish it would try harder. Right, I will get Bugsy up here, get the cover off, obviously, and get stuck into these bumper brackets I was talking about. And then tomorrow, hopefully, we'll have 2 bumpers, front and back, and we can go for a wee cruise and make sure they don't fall off. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.